Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make, oh my god, this bomb tuna salad. Listen, this is top notch, nothing you've ever had before. Let's go ahead and let's go have a different experience. Okay, let's go. So I am using this amazing tuna chickpeas. I'm using chickpeas too for this recipe. Like I said, it's nothing you've ever had before. This is the tuna that I'm using. So it's a product of Portugal. It's Portuguese tuna. It is so bomb. It's in vegetable oil. Oh my god, when I tell you this tuna is so good, you guys, I'm not exaggerating. You're gonna have to try this yourself and to find out. This tuna is so freaking bomb. So go ahead and look at it. See, it's beautiful, but we're gonna drain the oil though. Okay, so go ahead and mash your chickpeas. I am using canned chickpeas because who has time to cook dry chickpeas? I don't. Anyways, do that, but if you have the time, go ahead and do that. So I'm using dry canned chickpeas that has low sodium and organic, kind of make a difference. Okay, so go ahead and mash it up pretty good. Make sure you drain the water too. This recipe is easy, simple, yet delicious. So after you've mashed your peas, go ahead and open your tuna and drain all the oil out, and go ahead and transfer the tuna to the bowl that you're gonna be mixing everything in. So after you've transferred the tuna into the bowl, we're gonna go ahead and shred it because you see it's pretty clumpy. So go ahead and just break it, just shred it a little bit. And for this recipe for vegetables, I am using bell peppers, green, red, yellow, and orange, a little bit of celery, and purple onion. Make sure you mince those pretty small, okay? Minced, okay? Get it? Minced. You want them to be small. You don't want big pieces of onion and peppers. Just do it pretty small. Make sure they're very well minced. So after you've done shredding your stuff, your tuna, we're gonna go ahead and add seasonings and the vegetables. So this is what I'm using. See, they're pretty small, pretty small. I'm using celery and purple onion. If you don't like purple onion, use white or yellow sweet onion, whatever onion that you like. I just like the purple one, and it just makes it look really cute too. So I added a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and this is a mixed peppercorn, so it's bomb. And of course, this is very crucial, you need lime juice, lemon juice, whatever you got. Even if it's vinegar, it's good too. You need acidity in this tuna. All right, so I used 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of regular mustard, yellow mustard, 1 teaspoon of creole seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of all-purpose chicken seasoning. And then we're gonna add 2 cups of mayo. Yes, 2 cups of mayo. All right, that's all. That's it. That's it, you guys. That's it. Just the mayonnaise. Once I open it, I'm gonna add it. Okay, if you don't want too much mayo, go ahead, because it's already tuna in oil. It might be a little too fattening for you, but I'm here for the fat. Yes, I am. So go ahead and add a cup or a cup and a half. But come on, if you're gonna make tuna salad, just make it right. All right, okay, because this tuna salad is already it's already crazy. It's already over the top kind of tuna salad. So go ahead and mix that. Look at it. It looks so bomb, you guys. Not too much vegetables, just perfect. I know I'm making 3 cans, but because I'm making it for a lot of people, okay, because my cousins loved it when I served it at my dinner. A lot of people really loved it. So but my cousin wants some and my aunt wanted some, so I made 3 cans. But if you're making a can, obviously you're gonna use half a cup of mayo instead, or a cup. Not too much. You're gonna just use less. So anyways, I am also adding some red pepper flakes. Not too much because kids are gonna eat it, but if I was making this shit for me, listen, it would be really spicy because I like my fish very spicy. So I added fresh cilantro. Listen, the cilantro makes such a difference, you guys. Use cilantro, please. It would be, oh my god, it's so amazing with cilantro. You gotta use cilantro, not parsley, cilantro. The fresh taste that it gives it is just amazing. So go ahead and mix this pretty well. And after you mix it, so this was about half a cup, 1/4 cup of cilantro actually. So 4 tablespoons of cilantro. So after you've mixed it, you gotta let it sit in the fridge for a little bit, for like an hour. Okay, because it needs to be cold. We don't want to eat warm tuna salad. No, we don't. We're not doing that. Okay, so put it in the fridge for at least an hour. Let it sit. And after it sits for like a few hours, give it another stir. And then it's ready to be served. You can eat it as a wrap. I eat mine with French bread, of course. But this would be good on like some salad, some lettuce wrap. Oh my god, some lettuce. Just some lettuce like that. It's bomb. French bread, of course, because I love bread. I really do. I love bread. I'm sorry, I love bread. I'm gonna marry bread. I don't care. I love bread. So yes, I had mine with bread. I'm not gonna be like, let me have it with some lettuce. No, hell no, bread. Anyway, this is it, you guys. It's delicious. I hope you guys give this recipe a try, and thank you for watching.